Okay, it's kind of tough to see, but need to loosen this right here. It's a 12 millimeter nut. You need to open and wrench. I'm gonna go down to loosen it. Okay, now that that's loose, what you want to do is, this is your adjustment right here. This is what we're aiming to loosen. I might need to loosen the other nut again. Okay. That's loose. Fuck. Alright, this is loose. Now this is even looser. Okay. You could loosen this by hand. The less thread you see here in this little spot, right? When you push the pedal down and on its way out, it will grab higher. The more thread showing in, okay, you tighten it, this will make the pedal grab lower when releasing. So mine was somewhere kind of high and I wanted to go a little lower. So I'm gonna have some more thread showing. And all you do is tighten this back up, this nut. And that's really it. Alright, so give it a try, let me know how it works.